What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to talk about how to participate in Cleo's savings challenge. Now Cleo regularly offers fun themed savings challenges to make budgeting feel like a game. And here's how to join a challenge. So what you got to do is to go to the save tab. So of course it goes without saying, open up Cleo's app, and once you're in, go to the save tab and scroll to challenges if it's available. Now you're gonna tap on a live challenge, for example save $50 in 5 days type challenge, and then just follow instructions. Some may ask you to commit to daily savings, or to avoid spending in certain categories, or to hit a weekly savings target. Now, Cleo tracks your performance and sends chat updates and nudges along the way. And of course, there are some rewards. Now, some challenges are just for fun, while others may unlock features, badges, or discounts for Cleo Plus users. So this is a pretty good feature to take advantage of to help you out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.